Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of 100-day JavaScript challenge. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a function that takes a function as the input and runs it after waiting for 2 seconds. So let us see how to do this practically. So I'm using Code Sandbox for executing the code. First, I'm going to create a function called handle delay, which consists of a log which says after 2 seconds. And I'm going to create a button here. So once user clicks on this button, after 2 seconds, I will be displaying the log saying after 2 seconds. Click for delay. We can add a on click handler here. So once user clicks on this, one method will be called. So you can write handle click here. You can copy this and add it here. Now here I am going to use set timeout, which will take this handle delay function as a parameter and 2 seconds as a delay. That's it. Let us click on this and wait for 2 seconds. That's so we can see the message got printed into the console. So that's all. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.